revise about the topic is synthesis. Synthesis connectivity. First we look at connectivity. So synthesis. What is a synthesis? Yes. What is a synthesis? Actually, there are more connectivities to a synthesis. Synthesis in Hindi translation. We know about the if we know about the analysis, so easy to think about the synthesis. Synthesis is based on decision making person. Decision making person, by looking a picture, make a diagram for connectivity relation with the synthesis. Making thinking beyond of your tools, beyond your used and process. You have to be need a time, and you have to be made a mature personality. Problem. So what's the problem? Is critical problem, critical thinking problem. So you have to be analyzed to them. So this picture is total elaborate to connectivity to our synthesis. Yes. Now let's see. Meaning of synthesis. Meaning of synthesis, combination of separate part, substances, etc., into a whole or into a system, etc., that which results from this process. Meaning of synthesis, in other hand, after making something, understanding one, reach some conclusion and make some rules regarding for it. So there are two rules. First is organization, second one is adaptation. Organize to yourself, organize to those things, those parts who supposed to your, those parts are supposed to you. Second one is adaptation. Adapt to more things, adapt to those things, those help to you are in the meanwhile of critical problems. So you have to be make a decision making person. So you have to be organize yourself, making a informed decision. Second one is help to critical thinking, problem and decision making. You can note on also that there are the key points for meaning of synthesis: understanding, organization, adoption. Components of synthesis. Components of synthesis, we're talking about more. First is the moral agent and context. Second one is self, society, environment. Third one is moral deliberation, and fourth one is summarize. The moral agent. Synthesis is like a work of agent. Agent thus who certain who prepares, those who explore something about moral situation and take a indexing for a creation situation. So firstly you have to be think more about the moral agent as a moral agent. So you have to be something moral speech to deliver to someone. And second one is self, society, environment. Self, society, environment. We know about the every person should be connected to your society, because we have learned many things and more things from the society. So first you have to be create a social environment on your family members and on your with your friends and with your social members also. And the third one is moral deliberation. Moral deliberation means morally planned. You have to be planned, pre-planned solution. I think you have to be, suppose that you have a problem, you have a one problem on your topic, so first you have to be planned, you have to be planned for in moral way. You have to be, create a list, and those things you have to be problematic word, problematic vocabulary. So first you have to be take a list and connected to morality and search the work to your moral. And last is summarize. Summarize, you have to be summarize for all those things, and make a short notes, make a narration for yourself. Whenever you create a narration behalf of those topics, those keywords, then you I really must think you have to be find a more points, you have to be find a more point as a researcher. So first you have to be research, you have to be research again for this topic. When if you research again for the this topic, this is called a summarize. Okay, bye bye bye. Yeah, I hope you like this topic and this explanation. Okay, bye bye, thank you.